Krita versus Procreate. Which art app should you use? Choosing the right art app can transform your digital creativity without frustration. Krita offers powerful free tools, while Procreate delivers a polished iPad experience. Krita and Procreate are top digital art apps with distinct approaches. Krita is open source and desktop focused, ideal for detailed workflows. Procreate is a premium app designed exclusively for iPad, emphasizing intuitive touch controls and portability. Krita is a free open-source digital painting application available on Windows, macOS, and Linux, developed for artists who want extensive control over their work. It supports advanced brush engines, layer management, and animation tools, making it ideal for illustrators, concept artists, and animators. Krita's interface is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their workspace and shortcuts. It excels in handling large canvases and complex projects without subscription fees, which appeals to budget-conscious creators. However, Krita can have a steeper learning curve due to its depth and desktop-centric design, which might feel overwhelming for beginners or casual users. Its performance depends on your computer hardware, and it lacks native iPad support, limiting mobile use. Krita is best suited for artists who prioritize powerful features and flexibility across desktop platforms and prefer an open-source environment. Procreate is a premium digital art app designed exclusively for iPad, known for its sleek user-friendly interface and optimized touch experience. It offers a rich set of brushes, layering options, and responsive Apple Pencil support, making it a favorite among illustrators, sketch artists, and professionals who value portability. Procreate's streamlined design simplifies the creative process, allowing artists to focus on drawing and painting with minimal distractions. It supports high-resolution canvases and time-lapse recording, perfect for sharing workflows. The app requires a one-time purchase which provides full access without subscriptions. Its limitation lies in being iPad only, so it's not available on desktops or other devices. Additionally, it may not offer as deep customization or animation features as Krita. Procreate is ideal for artists looking for an intuitive, mobile-first painting app with powerful tools tailored to touch and stylus input. Krita and Procreate serve different artist needs. Krita shines on desktops with extensive features, customization, and free access, perfect for detailed projects and animation. It's best if you work primarily on PCs or Linux and want a robust tool without cost. Procreate excels in mobility and ease of use on iPad, with fluid touch controls and seamless Apple Pencil integration, ideal for artists who create on the go or prefer a minimalist interface. The trade-off is Procreate's device restriction and less depth in customization compared to Krita. If you need cross-platform flexibility and advanced features, Krita is the better choice. If you want a polished, portable app that lets you draw anywhere with excellent stylus support, Procreate fits best. Choose Krita if you need a powerful free desktop app with advanced features and customization, especially for animation and detailed digital painting workflows. Opt for Procreate if you prefer a sleek, intuitive iPad app with outstanding touch and Apple Pencil support for on-the-go creativity. Both apps are excellent, so your choice depends on your device and workflow preferences.